The Ford Explorer has become a symbol of American SUVs. Since the early 1990s, it has evolved from a simple family SUV to a high-tech flagship, retaining its spirit of adventure and confidence on any road. The first Explorer appeared in the early 1990s and immediately gained popularity. Its classic frame construction, spacious interior, and rear-wheel drive made it the perfect choice for family trips and off-roading. It was a true conqueror of roads and trails. The second generation became more modern and comfortable. The updated design, improved suspension, and new engines brought the Explorer closer to passenger cars without losing its off-road character. It was then that it became truly mainstream. The third generation brought a completely new platform, independent rear suspension, and increased safety. The interior featured leather, climate control, and technologies previously unavailable in SUVs. The Explorer became the embodiment of status and practicality. The fourth Explorer became more powerful and technologically advanced. Improved engines, a new transmission, and stabilization systems made driving comfortable and confident. This car already confidently combined power and style. The fifth generation marked the transition to a unibody construction. The Explorer became more aerodynamic, economical, and safer. The interior featured multimedia, navigation, and premium materials. It stepped into the modern era and became a global model. The modern Explorer is a combination of powerful EcoBoost engines, all-wheel drive, and digital technologies. The premium interior, adaptive suspension, and driver assistance systems take it to a new level. It remains a car for those who choose adventure, comfort, and style. Over the decades, the Ford Explorer has proven that it is possible to be reliable, modern, and truly legendary. It remains a symbol of practicality, technology, and confidence on roads around the world.